Hello guys, it's me Muhammad Ali here. Let me see if anybody can tell me I'm going live right now just to share something interesting with you guys. Uh, Before I do that, let me check why I am live. Okay, it looks like I am live on my own profile. Okay, that's fine. Let me guys show you something very interesting. And I showed this to other people in my technology group called Digital Think. This is gonna be me writing something using artificial intelligence. Now, the tools you need to write are you have to have access to OpenAI, which is basically you apply. Okay, you can build an application, all that stuff. You can apply this. This is free. It's beta. This is where if you have seen anything artificial intelligence, most of the time this is where it's built. Okay, it's coming from here. A lot of the stuff people are using AI to make writings and all this stuff, right? So you get this, you need a template from here. I mean, sorry, you need an API key from here. Before I do that, am I live? I think it says I was live. Okay, it's working. Okay, good. So once you get the API key from here, you're gonna use a tool called Pabbly Connect, which is actually one of the this is an automation tool. And if you want to know where it's coming from, this is one of the tools we sold on Digital Think, and it's still available, I think. But yeah, I put it sold out for now. And but basically, the idea is I put a question here, whatever it is, right? And then the output has to come from here. And what this is what it does. So basically, I take an Excel sheet, I put a question here, and then it takes that question and then turns it into some writing and brings it here. For example, I'm going to say, just watch this, right? I'm going to say, write an article. Okay, quickly, write an article on the importance, let's say, of peace. Okay, and I'm going to write an article or even a long article on the importance of peace. You can see that as soon as I put in here, this is an empty Word Google Doc. It's supposed to write all the answers right here automatically without me touching anything. All I need to do is feed the question here, write an article, a long article on the importance. I don't know if you guys can see my screen properly. Let me check. Let me check. I don't know why. Yeah, so write an article, a long article on the importance of peace, and then automatically, as soon as I hit enter, it's supposed to write and fill this place here. And I'll show you guys how I did it. It's a very simple process. Somebody shared this also in another group, so I was just learning from them. So check this out. Write a long article on the importance of peace, right? And then all I need to do is enter, and then my page here. Um, you see, this is Google Doc. It's empty, so I connected it. So when I put the question in the Google Sheet, the answers must come up here. And I'm using this tool, of course, to do the connection. So the tool will go into OpenAI. OpenAI is the artificial intelligence. It understands my question and takes in this information and of course writes the article for me without me doing anything in between. Okay, so let's go there. Enter. Write a long article on the importance of peace. Enter. As soon as I hit enter, watch here what happens here. It's gonna take a minute to write. And as you can see, of course, I'm not done. The article is going to come up here. Look, boom, right there. So you can see the article just came up, right? And look at what you see, okay? It didn't write a long article, but you could write a long article out of this. The world is a big and scary place. There's so much violence and hatred, but there's also much beauty and love. You see, that's what we need to focus on. We need to focus on the beauty and love. We need to focus on peace. Peace is important because it allows us to live in harmony. It allows us to be kind to one another and to respect each other. It allows us to live in a world where we can all be happy and safe. Peace is important because it's the only way to create a world that we all want to live in. It is the only way to create a world that's worth living. You see? So it gave me a small, writing there, but sometimes it could actually write a very long article. So let's see here. And that's it. Like you put your question onto Excel sheet, you get the answers automatically on the other end, right? So let me say another article. Now this is, I cleaned this up. I'm gonna say write an article on how to find best uh, universities, something like this. Best universities. Okay. Write an article on how to find best universities. Hit enter. Go to my document. Look, I'm just gonna sit there. The artificial intelligence tool takes over, and it takes the API key, writes it and down, boom, look at that. Very good article came up here, and look at what it's doing. There are many factors to consider when finding the best universities. You see, this is a very good article, short but to the point. Some students prefer universities that are close to home, while others want to attend universities that offer their desired program of study. Some students also prefer smaller universities, while others prefer large universities. The best way to find the best universities is to research and compare your options. Some students start their university search by looking at rankings. Rankings can be helpful, but it's also important to remember that they don't tell the whole story. A university may be ranked highly, blah blah blah. You see, this is the this is a small nice article. If you are somebody into blogging, of course you want to get answers to this kind of questions. You know how many times I go into Quora and stuff like that? There's so many good questions there. You bring them from there and then throw them into this. You could actually, if you're into writing, you could do something like this. So this is made possible by having access to OpenAI, open access to Pabbly Connect, which is also a product we sold here on our website, and uh, and of course, I think they do have also a lifetime deal. I'm gonna ask them if they still run that. But this is the project. Questions come in here, automatically all the answers you get it here, right? Do you guys want to tell me anything? Then I can write it down, because this is how you write it. It's very easy. Okay, so this is what I wanted to share with you guys. I'm gonna end it there for now. So have a good day. Thank you.